prime factorization of 1632 is, to do prime factorization, first we should frame it in this way. 1632. This is your step 1. Next, in this number, the last digit is 2 even, so take 2. First number 1 smaller than 2, so take 2 number 16. When do we get 16 in 2 table? 2 8s 16. The other number 3, a number close to 3 in 2 table is 2 1s 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 carried forward 12. When do we get 12 in 2 table? 2 6 12. Now the last digit 6 even, so take 2. First number 8, when do we get 8 in 2 table? 2 4s 8. The other number 1 smaller than 2, so take 2 numbers 16. Remember, whenever you are taking 2 numbers, compulsory put 0. Now 16, when do we get 16 in 2 table? 2 8s 16. Now the last digit 8 even, so take 2. First number 4, when do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. This 0 as it is down. The other number 8, when do we get 8 in 2 table? 2 4s 8. Now the last digit 4 even, so take 2. First number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. This 0 as it is down. The other number 4, when do we get 4 in 2 table? 2 2s 4. Now the last digit 2 even, so take 2. First number 1 smaller than 2, so take 2 numbers 10. Whenever you take 2 numbers, compulsory put 0. But 0 at the start does not matter. So no need to write 0 at the start. So 10, when do we get 10 in 2 table? 2 5s 10. The other number 2, when do we get 2 in 2 table? 2 1s 2. Now the last digit 1 not even, so not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3. To check divisibility by 3, for that we should add the digits. What I mean is 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So this number also divisible by 3. So you take 3 here. First number 5, a number close to 5 in 3 table is 3 1s 3. 5 minus 3, 2, 2 carried forward 21. When do we get 21 in 3 table? 3 7s 21. Now here we have 17. 17 is a prime number, so 17 1s 17. So we got 1 here. So the prime factorization of 1632 is the product of these numbers. That is, how many times did we get 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. This is the prime factorization of 1632.